Welcome to Summer Reading Program 2022 for Young Adult Services. If you were a part of Summer Reading Program last year, that you are familiar with the READSquared platform. But it also means that your account last year is actually still active and good to go. Now, if you do not know your username or your password, you can give us a call at any library location, or you can contact me directly, which is probably going to be your fastest route. And that my email is lizzie.whisnant at burkenc.org, or you can call my desk at 828-764-9273. I'd be happy to get your account reset and get you logged in. But if you know your username and password, the only thing that you need to do to get ready for Summer Reading Program 2022 Magic Monsters and Muses at your library is just choose your team. This year, Summer Reading Program has teams for the teens. So you guys will choose between either Greek, Roman, or Norse mythology, and or orange, red, or green. And every point that you earn this summer, whether it is for reading a book or attending a program or completing an activity on READSquared, all of those points go towards your team. If you are on the winning team, you're going to be entered in to win some extra prizes. So I'm going to show you how to choose your team first on the desktop version and then again on the app. So you're going to go ahead and log in into your account just like you did last year. See if I remember my password. Hey, we did. Cool. Okay, so once you're here, all you need to do is go to your account, click on My Account, and then you're going to go down here where it says Choose Your Mythology Team. Select which team you want to be on. Um, Always going to go with red. Click that Save Changes button, and you're good. That is all you have to do. You can go to any library location and pick up a badge. The badges are lanyards that have your team name on them and a fun little keychain. They are not required to participate. If you forget to come and get it, you can pick it up on opening night, or you can not pick it up at all. That's up to you, but they are there if you want them, and they're available at every library location. So right after this, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it on your phone. Okay, so when you open up your app, over there on the side, you're going to click that gear where it says My Account. Scroll down and choose your team. All you have to do, go ahead and click Save Changes, and you're good to go. That is all you have to do in order to choose your team on the app. It is that simple. Just make sure you hit that little gear icon right here.